डायमंड ज्वेलरीक फामाद आशिल्ल्या ओला ज्वेलर्सान दिवचले एक्झिबिशन कम सेल दवरला. आयज निमणो दीस दर्शकांनी मोठ्या प्रमाणात येवचे म्हणून ओराचो उलो.
I'm Sandra, I'm the store manager of Orra and we have specially come to Bicholi with the special collection of our diamond jewelry for the festive season with the special offers and discounts for Dashera and pre-Diwali. Do visit here. We are there till tomorrow, that is Sunday is the last day, and you will find something exclusively for yourself because we have specially designed and curated these pieces for every woman, every person that walks in. You will find a special piece of jewelry for yourself. Thank you.